What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add an image attachment inside of your message on Yahoo Mail. Now this isn't just image, it really goes for any attachments as well. And I am on my Yahoo Mail app on my phone, but if you're on yahoo.com on your desktop or any other device, it's going to work in the exact same process. I'm just on my phone for the simplicity of this video. But if you are on your phone like me, you're just going to go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail app. And then, of course, you probably already have a message drafted up if you're watching this video, but you're just going to go ahead and create a message and just have it say whatever you want to say. I'm just testing out the purposes of this video, so I'm not going to add anything in my message button here. There's two ways that you can attach the image. What you're going to be looking at now is if you look at the keyboard, there's going to be a little toolbar that's right above the keyboard that's not already there. And you're going to be looking at the icon all the way to the left. It is a photos icon, or the one that is right next to that, the paperclip icon. Both are going to allow you to attach a photo. If you do click the photo icon, though, it's only going to allow you to attach a photo. But if you hit the paperclip icon, then you can attach other stuff like PDFs or other sort of documents if you are looking to do that. But you could see there that I just selected an image and it is now inside of the email itself. And I'm just going to go through with the paperclip option to show you that you could do it as well with a photo, and you could see the two images there. I'm not going to actually send this email in case you were wondering. Just wanted to do this for the tutorial. And you could see once you send this there, this is exactly what's going to appear on their screen. They'll be able to see the image, and then whatever text you put around it is up to you. But that is pretty much it. If you did have any questions or were confused on how to add images and attach them to your Yahoo Mail, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.